What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So over the weekend we had a small get together for Riley's birthday. She had so much fun, guys. We had a couple of her friends over, the ones that she's been playing with during quarantine, and their parents over. So it was definitely a small get together compared to her typical birthdays, but still she had such a great time. Over on Instagram I shared a ton of photos from that day. She smiled, laughed so much, and she was literally in the pool all day long. So today I'm going to spend a little bit of time cleaning up the mess. Thankfully, she is a summer baby, so everybody was outside a majority of the time, so there really isn't too much that I need to clean up. But as you can see, the kitchen is a mess, so I'm going to start by clearing off all of the countertops and then tackling the dishes in the sink. The next 4 weeks or so are definitely going to be busy. There was Riley's birthday, and it's my mom's birthday this Saturday, and then the first week in July is going to be my sister's wedding. So there's a lot of things that need to get done, and it's all last minute kind of like wedding stuff that I'm helping her out with. I'm also her maid of honor, and guys, I am so nervous to say a speech. Like, I am not somebody who likes to speak in public and all of that stuff, so I definitely need to start working on that and writing up what I want to say. But it is so exciting because actually she was supposed to get married last year, and unfortunately due to COVID she had to push it back. We weren't even able to really give her a shower, so I also have to start the plans of doing a shower because she is open to having a shower after the wedding, which is really nice. So I'm trying to get this winery place that we had originally booked at, but they had to cancel again due to COVID. So I'm trying to see if we are able to have her shower a little bit later on in the year, just something to make her feel extra special, because I know during this time, wedding planning and getting married is such a fun time, stressful at the same time, but I just want to do things to make her feel special. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my Do you agree? This is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true. It's time to throw these flowers away, so I'm going to take them out of the vase, put them in the trash can. And funny enough, guys, I actually used to hate getting flowers. I think they're beautiful, I love the gesture and everything, but my mindset used to be like, they're only going to die soon, so why even waste the money? But I don't know, now they just make me happy. It's a great way to just brighten up your space. So now I really enjoy bringing flowers home and creating like a nice bouquet with whatever I can find at the grocery store. So let me know if you guys are the same way or if you personally enjoy flowers, and I would love to know what your favorite flower is. Mine is hydrangeas. We had them at the wedding. They are just by far my favorite flower, and one day I definitely want to have like hydrangea bushes outside just because I think they're just so gorgeous. Today I'm going to go in with my Simple Green all-purpose cleaner to wipe down the table as well as the countertops.
Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Hey now, honey, I've been driving around in my car, looking for some kind of open bar. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright. Got no money, but I'll work it out with my charm. Having a good time, ain't doing no harm. It's gonna be alright, gonna be alright.
Making my way over to the family room. This was where Riley had opened all of her gifts after the party, and then of course she also wanted to play with everything, so I need to just tidy everything up, and I'm gonna bring everything up to her room so I can then sort through it. She did get some cute clothes for the summertime, so I also want to wash those and then put those away. One thing I definitely did want to get to today was to sweep and mop the floors, just because the few people who were walking in and out, and also the morning of the party, we were walking in and out trying to set everything up, you know, put the chairs, the tent, and all of that stuff out. So of course we tracked a little bit of, you know, dirt and stuff throughout the house, so I definitely want to tackle that today.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning
All right, guys, so it is a little bit after 2 o'clock. I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, but before I actually make any of my lunch, I am going to make a Ketones drink. So a huge thank you to Prove It for sponsoring this portion of the video. I've been doing their 10-day Ketones challenge, and it has definitely helped me. I've seen a tremendous improvement over the past 10 days. So while I make this, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the product and all the benefits from it as well. The 10-day Ketones challenge is a great way to fuel your body. Each box contains 20 ketone packets. 10 of them are charged and 10 of them are caffeine free. So each morning you're going to take the charged packet, and this is going to help jumpstart your day with energy and focus. So you want to take this 20 to 30 minutes before a meal, and then in the afternoon you're going to drink the caffeine free one, and this is also going to help not keep you up late at night. It's super easy to use. All you want to do is add 12 to 16 ounces of water into a bottle, and then you're going to add in your packet. Now, I will say that you do need to put it in a container that you are able to shake, because I have tried stirring it and it does leave a little bit of like the powdered like pebbles and stuff like that, but when you shake it, it all goes away. So there are so many different flavors to choose from in each box, and my personal favorite is the heart tart. It's sweet and it's just easy to go down. So what Ketones does, it helps with elevating mental clarity and focus. It increases and sustains your energy, regulates your digestion, and also boosts your body's natural ketone production and supports fat loss. So I have been drinking this for 10 days, and it might be a little bit of TMI, but it definitely has helped regulate me. And I do like to work out in the morning for the most part. And typically I am taking a pre-workout to give me extra energy. And I have found that since I've been taking this, I haven't had to use it at all. Use my link below to save $31 off of your order now. While the floors are drying, I'm actually going to head outside because it's going to start storming out. So I wanted to let the umbrella down in case it got too windy. I think we were also supposed to be getting some thunder and lightning as well. Also, we had left all of the like pool stuff out as well, so I wanted to gather all of that stuff up. So I ended up putting it in the cooler that we had. We had basically cleaned out everything right after the party, but we did leave all of this stuff out to dry. And also the next day, Riley wanted to go back into the pool, so we've been leaving this out to dry overnight, and I definitely wanted to bring all of that stuff inside. Also, there were 2 chairs outside because the day before Riley and I had gone swimming during the day, so I wanted to bring those things inside as well before the rain started.